Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can join anybody without adding them on Roblox. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open up any of your browser and search for RO Search. It's a Chrome extension that will let you search players on Roblox and is of great help. Open the first site and add it to your Chrome browser, and then you just have to open up Roblox website in the new tab. After opening the Roblox website, locate the game that your target person is currently playing. Either you can search for it, or if it's in front of you, then you can just simply click on it. After opening the game, go over to Servers tab to see the servers that are currently online. Here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the additional search dialog box. Type the username of your friend or the target person and just press enter. It will either show you the server they are currently in or directly open up the game and same server as them. And that's how you can join anybody without adding them on Roblox. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.